The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello children, we are going to start. If you are ready, give me a clap. Show me a thumbs up. Tap your feet. Jump. Wow! Looks like you are excited and ready. Now it is time to sit down to work. Check it. You have your books, a pencil, an eraser, a bottle of water, crayons. Great! It is time to learn together. Hi everyone. How things are going on? Hope all are doing well. Let's begin today's lesson. Today we are going to identify action words, verbs, and learn how to use them in sentences. What are verbs? Verbs are actions that we do. For example, eat, drink, read, write, run, jump, sleep, bake, cook, dance, and laugh too. Let us learn about action words, verbs. This is Rahul. Rahul is very active. He does a lot of things. Rahul jumps. He plays tennis. He dances to his favorite music. Rahul reads a lot. Here, jumps, plays, dances, and reads are words that name actions and therefore are called action words. An action word tells what someone or something does. Action words are verbs. Let's look at a few more examples. A man is reading. Reading tells us what a man is doing. So, reading is a verb. A boy is playing. Playing tells us what a boy is doing. So, playing is a verb. Bunny is eating a carrot. Eating tells us what Bunny is doing. So, eating is a verb. A man is drinking coffee. Drinking tells us what a man is doing. So, drinking is a verb. A boy is running. Running tells us what a boy is doing. So, running is a verb. A bird is flying. Flying tells us what a bird is doing. So, flying is a verb. That's all for today. I will meet you in the next virtual class. Till then, bye.